welcome back to the second part of this video where we're going to learn how to turn this into some plasma art. It's for the most part the same, just a few differences. So just like before, we're going to start with a design. The thickness doesn't matter because we're going to control that in the toolpath. But what we'll do is we'll move over to the manufacturer workspace and let's save this, show data panel. So we're in my folder. I'm just going to go file. In this case, I'll do save as, and I'll call it plasma art. And the location is I don't know why it's not automatically going to my folder, but we'll change that down here as well and hit save. It should show up here. So it's always good to make sure you're saving where you're supposed to save. So I got a plasma art file and the little icon showing it's open by me right now. So I can close that. So just like making a sticker, we need to create a new setup. So create a setup, and as with the sticker, it's not recognizing our model. So I'm going to click on, and I'm just going to select my model. And just like before, I'm going to select box point, and I want to select the lower left corner, just like that, and hit OK. So now I can create a new toolpath. So right click, create from template, select template. And in this case, we're going to go to plasma table, we're going to go to steel, we're going to go to offset line, and what we want to do is we want to select this one here. 0.0625 to 0.125. That's the material we're using. I'm going to hit select, and it creates a toolpath. Red balloon again because there's nothing, no geometry selected. So just like before, right click, edit, and select our geometry tab, and we'll select our contours. So we can select in the center. We can select the edges as long as all the edges are good. I prefer, like I said before, select same plain places, select that, click in the center, selects everything. Easiest way to do it. Hit OK. Biggest difference between the two, the sticker and the plasma cutter, is now that it's cutting on the outside of the line instead of on the line. So that looks good. We'll simulate it just to make sure that it's cutting where it should. Simulate, hit play, and it looks like it's doing what it should. Hit close. Just hit save, because it's always good to do that. And just like before, we need to post out the code. So we're going to right click, post process. Now, this is our DXF AutoCAD vinyl cutter post. We need to change that. So we're going to select post from cloud. I'm going to select the plasma, hit select. And we need to change the output folder. We're going to post, and we're going to change posting to our team folder. So we're going to just change that to post process, post folder, plasma art, and then we're good. Plasma art. Rename this MCGH McGee plasma art, and we shouldn't need to use any other settings. Everything is good the way it is right now. And we're going to hit post, and again, it brings up the window, it generates it up, and it takes a couple of seconds. It's going to open up a window on mine, probably on yours. Just close it and then hit close, and we'll just yeah, that's it. So that's how you do stickers, and that's how you do plasma art. Have fun.